All right, YouTube, check this out.
We're going to show what happens in a rollover crash. Since you guys are under 14, the law says that, well, you must be restrained correctly, wearing the seatbelt the way it should be worn, lap belt low and snug, shoulder belt over the shoulder, not under your arm, not behind your back. If you're not wearing the seatbelt correctly, it's not going to do its job. Now, I'm going to put the mannequin, Charlie Brown, in the truck. We're going to put the seatbelt on him correctly. I'll roll the truck with the seatbelt on, and then we'll take the seatbelt off and you'll see what happens when he's not restrained.
Everybody say hi, YouTube.
Say hi.
Rosie, she's all about being a pop star.
Okay, watch. Look, this is what happens when you wear a seatbelt.
All right, YouTube, check this out. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Seatbelt is off. What happens when the rollover crash?
Now, a lot of times in a rollover crash, when the occupant is thrown out of the vehicle rolls over on top of him. Now, in that instance, he fell out the back side, which can happen in a crash. Even if the occupant's not thrown out of the vehicle, there's opportunities to be injured